how to turn on or turn off speak emergency alert messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on notifications. After that, tap on advanced settings. Then scroll down and tap on wireless emergency alerts. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on speak alert message. So tap on the toggle button to turn that on or switch it off. And it said here, use text to speech to speak wireless emergency alert messages. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.